Alright guys, so we ordered something new for the F80. So obviously I know what I bought, but I haven't seen it in person yet. I just opened the box right now. Shout out my guy, Colorado, guys. You guys follow him on Instagram. These boys help me out every time. Colorado, guys, he's the best. He's helped me out with my 135 and now obviously my M3. I buy a lot from him, he knows that. Give him a follow, guys. I'll put his app down below. Alright guys, so we got a new piece for the F80. Bro, this is nice. You guys, this shit is so sick. Man, look at this. The red stitching. Carbon fiber flat bottom. Okay. Bro, you guys can't lie. This shit is awesome. Look at it. That's so dope. It's gonna look so sick. What do you guys think? Fire or what? Comment down below. Damn, it's windy. So, this whole time, guys, I've had this car. I didn't know it had a heated steering wheel until today. It's crazy. Say bye-bye to the old. Alright, guys, so you guys have to poke these holes. There's like some little clips for the airbag, and then on both sides, the airbag should come off already. And this is what you have. So, you have to... Oh shit, what did I do? You have to disconnect it from here and it'll come off. You gotta disconnect these wires over here. And then I was looking at a video and they took off the trim just to have more space. So I believe these are T20s, and there's one under here behind the little M logo. So we're gonna get that going right now. Alright guys, once you guys take your 3 T20 bolts out, you should just pry this out. Just wiggle it, pry it out, and it should be good to come off. And just like that, top, guys. So that's what you have to work with. Give you more room with the wires and all this stuff over here. Kind of take her apart. Alright guys, now that I've loosened everything up, got all the wires out the way, we're going to take off the steering wheel. And that's only one bolt holding it in. It's a 16mm. So let's go do that right now. Alright guys, we got the bolt off and bam. No more steering wheel. Oh shit. So now we're gonna move everything over to the new steering wheel right now and put it back on. That should be it. Alright guys, so we got the steering wheel off and we're gonna start taking off the paddles. We're gonna start taking off the paddles over here, little buttons and heating module, just everything. Fire. So we got the new steering wheel, guys. Take everything off. I'm gonna take this plate off because it doesn't come on the new one. I'm gonna just transfer everything over and that should be it. We should just put everything on back together the way it was on here, put it back in the car, and let's see how it looks. Alright guys, so I'm almost done. I got one paddle shifter in. I got the little buttons over here on. Everything's connected again. Little motor. The vibration mode is on. So for the heating, this steering wheel is not compatible with the heating, so we don't have anything to connect it to, so we won't have heating. I didn't know about it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna just connect the other paddle shifter and tuck in the wires, and we should be going back to the car right now. All right guys, it looks like I'm done. I put everything on, paddles, all the wiring it had. So let's go in the car real quick and let's see how it looks. Bro, this shit is fire. Yo, this thing is fire. So, yeah, let's go. Whoo. Alright guys, let's see. Alright boys, what do you guys think? There's not a lot of lighting here, but damn, shit looks good. Woo. Okay. Shout out my boy Colorado, fucking hooking me up. I think it's fire. You know how to get the red stitching. Carbon fiber, flat bottom, carbon fiber steering wheel. What do you guys think? Woo! Not too bad, guys. I thought it was gonna be more of a hassle, but it's more tedious with all the wiring and stuff. But other than that, man, I like it. It looks good. You guys still can't believe I got a carbon fiber steering wheel. Just look at this thing. This thing is nice. Fire. Man, I think it looks good. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I don't have nothing else. Leave a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate y'all.